Now, with this hand, take this, push it up, pull it back, and there went the brass part. You see that? Now wait, I got the new one in.
Each time you have to put a bullet in?
Does it cost us money to shoot us?
No, it doesn't cost you any money. Now push this all the way forwards.
She's awful worried about how much it costs.
Pull this out. Now it's ready to shoot, okay? So take your time, get on your target again.
Yay! Good job.
Do this part again. Up and back.
Heard that hit.
Go. Tilt it so the piece falls out. Tip it. That way. Okay. See, and then I just put this in here. And close it. Forwards. All the way forwards and then down. In. Down. Put this back. That's ready to shoot. Keep your finger out of there until you get your target, okay? Find your target. On your shoulder. Atta girl. Now bring it up so you can see the target. There you go. Awesome.
Good job.
Okay.
Yay.
Try again. Up and back. There you go. Wait. Let me get my fingers out of there, silly. Yeah, silly. Alright, forwards and down. All the way forwards. Forwards. This. Yeah, no, down. Now pull that back. Pull it. It's really good. You can't. There you go.
Do you have children? Because you're very good with them.
Oh, thanks. They're grown. They're...
Oh, grandchildren? You're very patient.
Oh, thanks.
Do you teach for a living?
No.
Oh.
I've often thought about I would like to do that. Honestly, really. I would.
See, you have that gift of teaching.
Oh, thanks.
Not everyone does
just like
it.
that. Oh, tip it. Then come out.
Okay, how about
There you go.
one more?
Okay.
Or not?
You're
Are
ready
you
to
done?
shoot. Find your target.
It's 4
Make
o'clock.
it count, honey.
Oh,
Good job. Nice shooting.